Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. So this is another video for the decluttering series, and finally we are tackling jackets. We are going to tackle on sweaters and this section, and I'll insert another clip here. Okay guys, so this is my other closet of random stuff and big coats and jackets that I have. So I'm also going to be decluttering this section as well. I feel really good because I'm really excited. I live in California. I do not need this excess amount of sweaters and jackets, which I'm looking forward to finally getting rid of a bunch. But guys, I am wearing just a tee, no makeup, because trust me, I do not need it because it's so hot. I know I'm going to be sweating, but it's got to get done. So finally tonight is the night, and that's right, I chose to film at night because I just kind of felt like I've got more energy right now. But anyway, I actually have my water, so I'm going to stay hydrated.
And if you guys are new here,
my name is Angelica. Welcome to my channel. I do lots of different types of videos. I provide different types of contents like DIY, Amazon hauls. I also do, decluttering, lifestyle. I do just lots of different types of videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe to join me on this YouTube journey, guys. And if you do like the video, kind of lets me know what kind of videos you guys also like. So if you're not new here, hello, welcome back. And without further ado, let's get rid of some sweaters and jackets.
so after weeks and months of staring at my closet, it was time for me to tackle on this big project. And honestly guys, you do not need this many coats, jackets, sweaters, or whatever you use to cover yourself up. This is years of accumulation. So I've actually always had an issue when it comes to, jackets, coats. I just am obsessed. But the problem is I live in California, so I do not need this many. So the best way to tackle on a big project is go ahead and make a pile on the ground so you can kind of take a step back, take everything in, and finally see how much of whatever items you're doing, how much do you have, and that way you can kind of figure out what is the best way to tackle on this project, since it took me a whole day to do this, which it luckily didn't take me more than 2 days to work on this project. But I was very motivated. I felt that I had so much energy. It was time to let go of a bunch of the stuff that I had. And as you guys can see, the pile does not stop, and like I mentioned, this is an excessive amount. Everything I purchased with my own money, but everything was at a good bargain price. So as you guys can see, I have a mix of everything. So now I am trying to figure out how to work with this, and the best way was I'm just gonna try it on, and if I don't love it, if it fits a little bit tight, there's a little doubt in me, I'm gonna go ahead and basically get rid of it, since obviously I do not love the item anymore. So some of these jackets that I'm trying on, I've actually had since I was in college. So it's been many years that they've been in my closet. And guys, if you are having trouble trying to get rid of items, just tell yourself these are just materialistic things that will come and go. So if you get rid of it, do not worry, because later in the future you will find something way better than the item that you're getting rid of. And whatever you get rid of, somebody else will go ahead and basically treasure the item more than what you did. And honestly, like I said, this felt like a very powerful movement of what I was doing, because I just felt like this was really changing my life. Being able to get rid of something that I've always held on to was very, I guess you can say, very exciting. And I honestly felt the energy that day. I was going through everything, telling myself, do I really love this item? And honestly, that actually helped a lot. And I actually have gotten a lot of tips from KonMari. If you guys don't know about her, but she has a book of like how to tidy up and how to fold and all this stuff. So I've taken a couple of her steps and kind of like make sure it works with the way I felt was the best way for me to declutter, since everybody has, you know, their own method and their own way. And I kind of told myself too, like, would I go ahead and purchase this if I actually saw it in the store? And that actually helped out a lot too. So this is my pile I am for sure going to go ahead and get rid of, and so far this is the progress. What I'm basically doing is I am hanging a lot of my heavier jackets in this closet. I'm gonna go ahead and take them to the other closet. So I want to separate my everyday and my heavy closet, like my heavy duty sweaters on the other closet, and I just kind of feel like that's a really good system that's gonna work for me. So I'm going to go ahead and continue trying on a lot of items that I have that I kind of forgot I had, and just continue decluttering. And I feel like even though I've decluttered a lot of items in my closet, I kind of feel like I can go ahead and go back at it again and be more brutal, because now I know that getting rid of items is very cleansing to the soul, and it just makes you feel very liberated when it comes to not feeling so many clusters everywhere. So guys, just a tip, if you guys have trouble getting rid of stuff, just look at it in a whole different way of, you know, the flow of energy. And if you get rid of stuff, it will make you feel so much better. Okay guys, so the pile is looking a lot better now, and let's continue. And this, I'm going to go ahead and put this in a bin. These are my workout, which I gotta figure out which ones I want to keep for working out. And then all this, I'm going to continue. And those up there I'm gonna put away with the rest of these, but for now I'm gonna keep those up there. That way I have more room here. I still need to go through my blazers, but progress guys, progress. So this is how my jacket section is looking on this side. Now it stops right here, and then everything else, these are like fancy dresses that I have. And back there I do have blazers, but I did get rid of a bunch of blazers already, so I'm gonna give it like a couple more months before I do another declutter. But so far this is stuff that I'm gonna keep. Now a lot of these like oversized jackets I actually use for winter for our business. The brown ones, these white ones, which is why I have so many white ones. You don't need this excessive amount, but it is for part of my business like uniform that I wear when I'm outside because it's always so cold. So this is how this side looks, which honestly I am so happy with myself because I have room to put a bunch more, or you know, cram in there, but I'm just going to leave it like that. So this is how the closet ended up looking, and I am so in love with it. It feels very aesthetic to look at. Finally, I can go through and see what I have actually, which is what I intended to. And guys, this is the pile I'm getting rid of, which I'm very, very proud of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.